Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Honda Rebel 500 Cruiser, twin cylinder, fuel injected, liquid cooled, only 3,791 miles on this awesome black and silver Rebel 500. This one's got drag bars on for handlebars, and wait till you hear that TBR exhaust system. Low mileage, low seat height, lightweight, ready to make your cruiser dreams come true for just $54.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.